way home in the 2011 Dodge Ram. It's my grandfather's truck. This is what a blinker should sound like. This is what the left one sounds like. Which means, well, it means it's got a bulb out. And because I'm backed in and in the reflection of my garage window, I can see that it's the rear bulb. Parts store tells me that it's one of these 3157 universally things. Never done a rear tail light or blinker bulb in this truck, but hopefully it's simple, so let's do it. This side, right here, dirty, greasy, trying to preserve a little paint where it's rusty. My guess is we just take this tail light out. Let's have a look. And we should be able to change it right up. Never been into this tail light before, but if I was a betting man, I think if we pull these T20 things out right here, that probably releases the tail light. Maybe, we'll find out. It turns out as soon as they came out, the tail light was free. A little tug right there. Just a little one, because it's on these retainer clips. See them? They fit in there. It's just a twist. And pull it out. Okay, I took those T20s out. They're laying right there. This, see those things right there? They fit right on those things right there. So once those are out, you just pull straight back. Now, I needed two hands, so these fit in there. And it's just a twist lock. You just twist them and out they come. This one, if you look at your tail light, is the reverse light. Bottom one's reverse. This is your blinker and brake light. That's the 3157. So we're gonna pull this out. I don't care about this one because it doesn't work, and we're gonna go get the new one. It's in. I used a rag because apparently I don't know. There's the old one, there's the new one. We're gonna start it up, see if the blink blinks before we put it back together. You see the bulb right there, tail light bulb's on. Blinker, look at that, blinky blink. We're gonna put it back together. As parts manuals say, assembly is the reverse of disassembly. Once you got those installed again, you just put them in, line them up, twist. You're gonna line up those two tabs right down in there. Where they go, and shove everything back together. Lined up, everything's good. Two T20s, one there, one there. Let's put them just like that. We went from blinker that doesn't work to blinker that does work. Put the tools away. And I don't make these videos because I'm an expert. It's changing a tail light bulb. Like, make the blinker work. I make them to say if an idiot like me can do it, you probably can too, because out there somewhere is somebody that doesn't know everything. They've never had to do this job before, and maybe they just wanted to see it before they did it. So get yourself a 3157 bulb. T20 bit, which comes in a lot of different toolkits. Pop those out, pull straight back, change the light bulb, and go there. I did something on my own because it wasn't really that hard. This weird guy on the internet could do it, so can I. If that helped you, my teenage kids tell me if enough people hit that subscribe button, I could buy a coffee someday. I'm skeptical, but I'm willing to try because, you know, I like coffee, so why not?